Ever visit a place that makes you stop for a second? Not because it's fancy, because it's peaceful. And that's what the Onyx does to you. Over 1.2 million tourists visit northern Pakistan each year. But guess what? There aren't half rooms available. And that's where Meer Group jumps in. Not just to build, but to reimagine what people experience in these mountains. Our project, the Onyx, blends modern architecture with nature, panoramic views, and sustainable environment. It's a part of bigger vision, developing world-class service apartments and tourism infrastructure, opening doors for travelers and global attention. The North isn't just about views, it's a story that is waiting to be told, and Me Group is helping to write a new chapter.